So, welcome to the complete upgrade of Bizylze Pro and Bizylze Pro Plus, and that's the Bizylze bundle. So, this bundle will offer you the complete Bizylze experience. And what is included in the Bizylze bundle is everything in Pro and Pro Plus. So you can enjoy every single feature in the Pro and Pro Plus version of Bizylze. You have unlimited searches, so you can use all of the tools on Bizylze unlimitedly. So you can explore the discover ideas, you can explore the market analysis, you can explore the launch features as well. Aside from this, the mindset tools are also included. So you have full and complete access to the Biz Journal and the Funder Fuel to support your mental and emotional well-being. You also get full API access, so you can configure your own API keys for a more enhanced performance and for a deeper customization in particular. You also get access to priority support. So you'll get the highest level of support whenever you need help. And when I mean highest level, I mean you'll also get the quickest level of assistance possible. And you also get lifetime access. So there's no monthly fees ever for Bizylze bundle. There's no monthly fees. You pay once and you keep every feature on this software forever. So why should you choose the Bizylze bundle over buying the Pro and the Pro Plus separately? So the first thing I will say about this is that if you buy the Bizylze bundle, you will get everything in one plan. You wouldn't need to manage two purchases or worry about future upgrades depending on whether you were on the Pro or the Pro Plus. You will own every single feature on Bizylze as a customer. You'll be able to use every single tool in one simple package, in one simple plan. All future updates will be included. So whenever Bizylze is updated, you will get instant access to that. Okay. For new tools, for improvements, for upcoming features, they will be all yours automatically. You also get lifetime peace of mind. So you pay once, you enjoy forever. No renewals, no hidden cost whatsoever. And you also have the ultimate flexibility from idea generation to scaling of business. Okay. You'll never need another upgrade going forward because you're on the complete plan of Bizylze through the bundle. So you can upgrade to the Bizylze bundle today, get every Bizylze feature forever for only $147. I also ask that you read the text below as well for even more information about the benefits of purchasing this Bizylze bundle today. And there's also a frequently asked questions as well down below as well. So do feel free to check that out also. All in all, I hope that you do decide to use Bizylze and also let me know as much as possible about your experience. But I hope that this software will help you deeply because that is my desire. All right. Thank you